Hola chicos, bienvenidos, and in this video we're going to just really quick cover what AR verb endings look like in a verb chart. So we've learned what parts of the verb chart mean, and now we're going to get into what verb endings look like. So prior to this, you guys have been given the whole verb in the verb chart, right? But I want you to think about how many verbs end in AR. Well, you guys were given a whole list of AR verbs, right? And if I made a separate verb chart for all of those verbs, we would have a lot of verb charts. So instead, what I do is I'm going to give you endings, right? And then you are going to learn how to add those endings onto the verbs to make each verb be acted out by a different person, right? So I'm going to show you what that means. So for example, in the yo form, right? The yo form is the I form. We add an O ending to AR verbs to get I do something. So for example, if we're working with hablar means what? To talk, right? So yo hablo, I talk. Now, that means that the O ending indicates that I am doing the talking. Now, tu means you, right? So our ending is going to be AS. And so if I want to say you talk, I'm not going to say yo hablo, I'm going to say tu hablas. And that AS ending indicates that you are doing the talking. Now, he, she, you formal, one person, one thing, talks, it's habla, right? So it has the A ending. That means that he, she, usted, one person, or one item is talking if I see the A ending on the end of a verb. Amos is the ending for we. So nosotros hablamos means we talk. That amos ending indicates that we are doing the talking. Finally, we have ustedes hablan or ellos hablan, ellas hablan, los chicos hablan. Anytime that you see an ending or an an ending, that indicates that they, you guys, y'all, the boys, the girls, the items, right? More than one person, more than one item is doing the talking. And so we can take this chart and we can apply it to other verbs, right? It doesn't have to be hablar. It can be contestar, continuar, entrar, llegar, right? Instead of doing hablo, hablas, habla, hablamos, hablan, I can put this into a different verb, right? I can put it in the context of a different verb. So choose a different AR verb. Maybe we'll do entrar. So yo entro, tú entras, ella entra, nosotros entramos, and ellos entran, right? The endings stay the same even if the verb changes. So that hopefully will kind of dip your toes into what conjugating AR verbs will be like. Today, we're just focusing on the endings in this verb chart. And if you have any questions, please let me know and make sure that you are putting these endings into your guided notes as you will need them in the mastery check at the end of this lesson. Alrighty, hasta luego y adios.